Embark on an exciting journey through the world of animals, from the friendly barnyard to the wild wonders of the zoo. Children will love discovering the differences between farm animals like cows, pigs, and chickens, and exotic zoo animals such as lions, elephants, and giraffes. Through fun facts, colorful illustrations, and interactive activities. A snail's shell is made of calcium carbonate and grows with the snail. They cannot leave their shell. Snails have a muscular foot that they use to glide slowly, producing mucus to reduce friction. Snails can hibernate or estivate, summer hibernation, to survive extreme conditions by sealing their shell with a layer of mucus called an epiphragm. Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. They chew cud to help digest tough plant material in a four-chambered stomach. Hamsters are solitary and may fight if housed together, while dwarf hamsters like Roborovskis can sometimes live in pairs or groups with care. Hamsters can suffer from heat stroke if it's too hot and can enter torpor, a temporary hibernation-like state, if it's too cold. Hamsters are notorious for escaping cages and hiding in small places due to their curious and adventurous nature. Bears have an extraordinary sense of smell, 7 times better than a bloodhound's. Bears are incredibly strong. A grizzly bear can lift over 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms, and run up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per h. Bears have been observed using tools, playing games, Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring. Alligators have between 74 and 80 teeth at a time and can go through 2,000 to 3,000 teeth in their lifetime. Young alligators eat insects, small fish, and amphibians, while adults can take down deer and wild boars. Alligators are reptiles. They belong to the order Crocodilian, along with crocodiles, caimans, and gharials. Alligators communicate with sounds, like bellows. Red imported fire ants are native to South America, but they have spread to the United States, Australia, China, and other countries. Red ants can sting repeatedly and inject venom that causes burning pain, itching, and pustules. Red ants have a caste system with queens. reproduction, workers, foraging, nest maintenance, and soldiers, defense. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. They have excellent long-term memory, better than many other domesticated animals. Snakes are reptiles. They belong to the order Squamata and are closely related to lizards. Snakes can consume prey much larger than their heads because their jaws are connected by very stretchy ligaments. Snakes live in forests, deserts, oceans, like sea snakes, and even urban areas. They eat rodents, birds, eggs, frogs, fish, and even other snakes. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plain zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras are hindgut fermenters, meaning they digest food in their cecum and colon, allowing them to extract nutrients from low-quality forage. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though males are typically larger. Reindeer have been domesticated in northern Eurasia for thousands of years by indigenous peoples, especially the Sami. Reindeer dig through snow to eat lichen, a moss-like plant often called reindeer moss. Reindeer migrate farther than any other land mammal, up to 3,000 miles. Spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, making them important for ecological balance. Spiders inject digestive enzymes into their prey and suck up the liquefied insides. Most spiders are solitary and predatory, feeding mainly on insects. Spiders produce different types of silk for different purposes: webs, egg sacs, wrapping prey, etc. Spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, making them important for ecological balance. And sounds while developing a deeper appreciation for creatures big and small. On the farm, kids will meet hardworking horses, playful goats, and fluffy sheep, understanding how these animals help humans in daily life. Then, the adventure continues to the zoo, where they'll encounter fierce predators, towering herbivores, and colorful birds from around the globe.